German Weckknödel. Let's go. First up, you need 10 stale rolls and break them up into pieces. You're going to pour about 2 cups of warm milk all over it and let it kind of just soak in for a minute. This completely weirds me out. Add in 2 eggs, add in some salt and a ton of parsley. If you have fresh parsley, even better. Chop up a whole onion and saute it with butter or oil and then plop that into your mixture. We're almost done here, kids, so go wash your hands and get on in there, you dirty dogs. Pull these bits and pieces apart and really mix it up good. Sounds not included. You'll get something that looks a little bit like this mess, but I promise it's so worth it. And if it's really sticky, you can add a little bit of flour or breadcrumbs. You can kind of just play around with it and use as much as you need. This is the fun bit. We just roll it into little balls, you sick perverts. And we're not going to be perfect here. It is going to be a little lumpy. Aren't they all? Get some water boiling with salt, and eventually these suckers will float up to the top, and then you're going to cook them for a good 20 minutes. We love ours with a little added gravy, sour braten, and rotkohl or red cabbage. It's also just as good with butter. Guten Appetit!